Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. I'm Feifei.
And I'm Roy. Feifei, is 3 p.m. okay for your appointment with the doctor?
What? No, I don't need a doctor. I feel fine. What are you on about?
Well, I heard you showed your listicle to Neil and he was worried.
No, Roy. A listicle isn't a medical condition. It's a piece of writing. It's an article that is in a list format. It's like a list, but the points have more explanation.
Oh, that makes more sense. But why was Neil worried about your listicle?
I have no idea. It's only a listicle about the things that he must do to improve my life. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten you in the listicle.
You mean that you want to improve my life as well?
No, Roy, I've written a listicle highlighting things you need to do. I'll let you know what my demands are right after these examples.
Have you read the new listicle I've written about the greatest video games of all time? Don't read that listicle. It's just clickbait. That listicle has an impressive title, but it doesn't really expand on the points it makes. It's more like a list.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learn English, and we're talking about listicles. A listicle is an article that is in a list format, but the points are expanded more than a normal list, making it closer to an article. And here is the listicle I wrote for you, Roy.
What? You can't be serious. You've written here that you want me to burn all of my t-shirts and buy some other clothes. Well, that's not going to happen.
I just want you to look smart, Roy. That t-shirt with a picture of a dog staring at a flower on it is not appropriate for a person to wear.
It's top quality. And you've also gone on in your listicle about how I should stop playing video games. I actually write listicles about games. Here, I wrote one for you.
This isn't a listicle. All it says is, you work too hard, Roy. You should go home.
Oh, okay. Thanks for the advice. I will.
No, I was just reading what you wrote.
Bye, Feifei.
Bye.